Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute by Carrington Malin for Friday, August 9th. Your 1-minute daily briefing brought to you by OnDemand, Turbocharged AI product development and integration. Santa Cruz headquartered Joby Aviation has reconfirmed plans to begin commercial air taxi operations in the UAE late next year, according to comments made by its CEO. The eVTOL company expects to break ground on its first infrastructure project in the Emirates by the end of this year, then commence trial flights during the first half of 2025, followed by commercialization of flights later in the year. Meanwhile, Australian technology company InSky Robotics is establishing its first GCC facility, 𝘕𝘰𝘪𝘴, in Ras Al Khaimah, in the United Arab Emirates. The new facility will assemble and supply voltamate robotic cleaners to meet the growing demand for large-scale solar panel cleaning as solar farms become an increasing source of alternative power across the region. And a team from Abu Dhabi's Technology Innovation Institute, named the Flying Algorithms, has claimed the top spot at the Swarm Drone Challenge 2024 in Germany. Organized by Brick startup German incubator for three-dimensional mobility, and defense tech company 𝘱𝘰𝘮𝘪𝘴. The challenge tasks participants with developing algorithms to orchestrate swarms of drones. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by OnDemand. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.